Arutwo a thukuru wa Kileleshwa guku Nairobi magikenera ndagika cigana na cia gutwarithia ming'arang'ari. Macoke methagathage kwambiriria mathomo ma tamu njeru. Ni tamu ya mwanya, ni amu niyo tamu iria thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya githomo iratanya kwambiriria mutaratara mweru wa mathomo. Arimu na arutani makiuga ni mehaririirie.
The good thing about the curriculum is that it is going to be child-centered. The child will need to do more than the teacher so that they can grow knowing that they should be responsible.
Ukiangalia imejengwa na skills around 7 competency areas yenye mtoto akipitia niko na uhakika kwamba hawa watoto watalelewa katika hali nzuri.
No na kuri oguo uhotekeku wa kwambiriria mutaratara uyu mweru urigiciirio ni kiriga. Minister wa githomo Dr. Fred Matiang'i agicemania na anyiti itemi micemanio iria ikuruta mwerekera kana mutaratara uyu mweru ni ukwambiriria mathukuru-ini ma muthingi. Giikaro kia rucio ni gia kamiti iria yagathikirwo ni ministry mwaka muhituku ya guthurima uhotekeku wa mutaratara uyu mweru kwambiriria tamu ino. Hamwe na riboti iria igakurikia mukira ni kana arutani ni mahetwo mathomo ma kuigana megie mutaratara uyu mweru.
Some of my teachers have been trained but not all of them. We are prepared but not very fully. The teachers needs to go for more trainings every now and then to catch up with the new curriculum.
Kiriga kingi ni kana atungi a mafuku KICD hamwe na acabithia ni matungite mafuku meru niguo maheanwo mathukuru-ini ni thirikari.
Textbooks we are yet expecting them. Yeah, we haven't received any yet for the new curriculum. We don't even know how we are going to start, but we are hoping for the best.
Toguo tu ministry ya githomo yagirirwo gukorwo itwarite riendekithia riri bunge na yo bunge ikaririria na kuhitukia mutaratara uyu mweru undu uria uratwika nduri urekwo. Mothe kenda kamiti ino ningi no kinyagia ithurime garama ya mutaratara uyu muno kuri aciari aria ciana ciao iria iri mathukuru-ini ma andu kiumbe kuona nio megukua garama ya mafuku meru. Kiuria kiria anyiti itemi sekta-ini ino magietereire kuona macokio ni kana mutaratara uyu mweru ni ukwambiriria mwaka uyu ta uria urerigiriirwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Monica Kagoni.